Today we're featuring a 2013 Dodge Ram 2500 Heavy Duty Edition. In the front, you can see you got your chromed out front grille along with your chrome bumper. Got your pull ties right there. This vehicle is equipped with the Cummins turbo diesel, which is the 6.7 liter. Nice alloy wheel. Chrome step-up bars. Power fold-away mirrors. This is the crew cab. Four-wheel drive, Bighorn edition. 4-pin. Also 7 right under it. Chrome back bumper. Cloth seat. Also has a power seat. All your controls for your windows and your power mirrors and your power locks. Automatic lights. This vehicle is actually equipped with the phone setting where you can adapt your phone to the vehicle. You no longer have to take the phone out of your pocket or your purse. Just hit the phone button, it'll answer, and you can speak through the radio system. These 4 buttons under here will control your instrument cluster. Let you know how the vehicle is running. It'll also let you know your miles per gallon, how many miles till empty, the direction you're heading. On the other side here, you got your cruise control. Got your on and off button right here. Got your cancel, your resume, and your set. This particular truck is equipped with an 8.4-inch touchscreen radio. Your volume button and your channel turn right there. These knobs are basically in this section right here for your air and your heat. Under that, you got your trailer brake control built in, makes it kind of nice. Traction control, you can turn that off. Tow haul button, exhaust brake, tire light load inflation. Also get a regular plug-in. Turn button, 4-wheel drive, high and low. Center console here. This vehicle is equipped with a CD player, which actually is not a standard option on these trucks anymore. The center part of that mirror, that back glass right there, your back window, that is a power sliding piece right there. It'll automatically hit the button, which is up here. It'll zoom in and it'll automatically open or power. Plenty of storage. Up top here, you got a storage compartment. Also, you still got your glove box right down there, and you just have your center console, which I showed you a little bit ago. Very spacious back seat. Storage compartment under each seat. There's also storage on the other side there, the whole length of the seat, under the seat. Again, this is a 2013 Dodge Ram 2500 Heavy Duty with the Cummins diesel motor in it, 6.7 liter, 4-wheel drive, deep cherry and red in color. This vehicle is located at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep in Piqua, Ohio. For further questions on this unit, you can find it on our website at sherrychrysler.com, or you can contact us by phone at 937-778-0830.